The infamous 3D printer Ender 3 uses this plastic extruder. It has some issues like filament grinding or even breaking off. So I decided to replace it with full metal dual gear extruder. I obviously had to disassemble existing extruder. After disassembly, I had to replace the gear with new one. But the gear was press fit and didn't want it to fall off. I tried many different ways to remove it, or even heating up to 200 degrees Celsius. But none of the methods worked. I ended up buying a new extruder motor.